The epic New Year surprise is here. We are almost 2 weeks away from the Unpacked 2024, where Samsung will officially reveal the Galaxy S24 series. We have not one but several New Year surprises to cover. Starting off with what could be Samsung's most powerful camera feature on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra may be able to shoot 4K videos up to 120 frames per second. Not even the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max can do that. If Samsung can pull this off, it's going to be absolutely amazing. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is currently testing this out heavily. If they manage to include it in the final variant, it's definitely going to be one of the best surprise for the Galaxy S24 Ultra fans. Now, the other big surprise is regarding the pricing. Apparently, the S24 and S24 Plus are actually cheaper than the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus in some markets. This has been backed up by multiple reports. According to the new report, in Europe, the Galaxy S24 will cost you around 899 euros, which is about 50 euros less compared to the pricing for the S23 last year, which is about 950 euros. Same thing can be said for the S24 Plus, starting at 1149 euros, again down 50 euros compared to the price of the S23 Plus. This is a great news for the European customer. Again, pricing will be very depending on different markets, and since we know that both the S24 and S24 Plus will be coming with Exynos processor in Europe, so definitely the price cut is possible. Moving on, we have the absolute official product detail regarding the S24 Ultra and the S24 Plus, which finally reveals some more exciting secrets. The official product detail regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can see right in the first line that Samsung is heavily marketing the nitography, which is the low light performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra cameras. Not just with the main camera sensor, but also the zoom performance in low light situation has been improved. And here are the 5 key main marketing features of the S24 Ultra. Starting from the live translate, which is the ability to translate any foreign languages while you are on a call on the spot in a real time, which is an absolute magic. Then we have a low light zoom, aka nitographic zoom, where Samsung is taking the low light zoom performance to a whole new level. Then we have the generative edits, where you can use AI to edit your photos as well as the videos. Moving on to high resolution, which allows you to take photos up to 200 megapixel resolution, and this mode has been heavily optimized and improved on the S24 Ultra. And lastly, we have the new and improved display, which is not only brighter and color accurate than before, it's also flatter than ever, as Samsung mentioned its flatter screen giving up more room to do what you love. Pretty much confirming that Samsung is indeed moving away from the curved display. More Galaxy S24 Ultra product detail had revealed the weight of the device, which is almost same as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So the big advantage of titanium is definitely going to be coming towards the durability aspect, as well as making the phone feel super premium in hand. In fact, Ice Universe has revealed the top G model of the S24 Ultra, and apparently it's going to be S24 Ultra in titanium gray. It's said to be the most beautiful and has a strong metallic feeling. It's an absolute dream phone personally for me because of the full body side and metallic feel. It's something that I always wanted to see. Thankfully, Samsung is making it happen with the S24 Ultra. Now, taking a look at the product details for the Galaxy S24 Plus, again, pretty much the same 5 key features listed as the S24 Ultra. Live Translate, nitographic zoom, generative edits, high-resolution images, as well as the improved display. Believe it or not, Samsung is counting heavily on S24 Plus this year because they are increasing the production volume for the Galaxy S24 Plus. In my opinion, design looks absolutely amazing. Again, I can't wait to see the unpack, which is about to be happen in 2 weeks time. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? If you wanted to keep yourself updated, do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.